Subscribe and press bell icon. Click join for free consultation every month.
These are the planetary configurations given in the screen. Sun, Mercury, Venus in Aries, Ketu, Moon in Scorpio, Mars in Gemini, Rahu in Taurus, Saturn in Capricorn, and Jupiter is in Aquarius. Now Jupiter is temporarily in Aquarius. Now it will again retrograde back to Capricorn on September, and again it will transit back to Aquarius on November. After going to Aquarius permanently on November, we may notice something special, a cure or something regarding the epidemic that is in hand. Now again Jupiter will transit to Pisces on April 2022. April 2022 Jupiter will transit to Pisces, but since as Saturn's aspect, that Saturn aspects Jupiter by its third aspect, because of its third aspect the impact will not be good, but we may notice a little downfall in the epidemic. But let us see what is going to happen. Again we see the transit of Jupiter in Aries on April 2023, but Saturn will make its transit on January before Jupiter on January 2023. So Saturn will transit to Aquarius on January 2023 and Jupiter will transit to Aries on April 2023. Again Saturn will aspect Jupiter. So Jupiter is not in a position to escape from Saturn in these 2 years at all. So the epidemic will be there, but there can be reduced impact. The impact we are seeing, there is a tremendous and huge impact, the increased number of deaths all around the globe, especially in our country, but we may see a reduce in the impact of the epidemic in 2023. But let us observe what is going to happen. Until and unless Jupiter escapes from the hands of Saturn, the epidemic may not come down. Previously we thought that after Jupiter gets separated from Saturn in Capricorn, we may see a reduced impact, but it has not been so. In April again the virus had widespread all across the globe, all across the country, especially India is in a worse condition. Although we have number of vaccines into account, but still the number of deaths are increasing. Let us see what is going to happen. Until and unless Jupiter escapes from the hands of Saturn, we cannot escape from the epidemic, not in these 2 years at least. And finally on 1st May 2024 Jupiter will escape from the clutches of Saturn and it will transit to Taurus. And when it transits to Taurus, the tremendous and fatal impact of the epidemic hoping to be reduced, or it may be under total control. On 2nd of June 2026, Jupiter transits to Cancer, and during this period we see that Saturn being posited in Pisces, it makes a trine with Jupiter, which is beneficial for the globe, and we see or we may think that this is the time to round up things and things goes in our hands. Thank you very much.